Let's make a hard shape with CSS. So here I have a div with 200 pixel of height and width, and I just aligned its center, and I given him the position of absolute. Now I am going to use a pseudo element before and after. If you don't know about pseudo element, you can just go to W3 School or any other website and you can learn about it here. So for now I am using pseudo element and adding two circles before and after the div. And I don't want any text, so I am giving content empty. Background color green for now, just to show you, and I will change it to red letter. Now width and height same as the original div. (200 pixels) and border radius 50% to make it a circle, and position obviously absolute. Position absolute. Let's see what we got. Okay, border radius, border radius. So here we got two circles. Now what I want is, I want half of the first circle to go out right from the div and half of the second circle to go out top from the div. Let's see how we can do it. Div, selecting the after element and left 100 pixel because we have size width as 200 pixels, so I'm giving 100 pixel, half of it, and before we want it to be half out from top, so we are giving bottom 100 pixel. As you can see, we got a shape like this. Now let's rotate it. Select div and transform, rotate -45 degree. Here you see, and now background color green, red, 255. Let's see, so here you go, we got an heart. That's it.